As a modern society, we have the ability to cause great harm to natural communities. We make the choice of either having power or not having power, and then we make the choice of having power in a responsible way or in an irresponsible way.
The economy here in Toole and Glacier counties was slowly going downhill. I mean, the refineries had left a long time ago.
Larry Bondrud, and I'm mayor of Shelby, Montana. NaturEner paid Toole County $2.4 million in taxes last year, which in turn has huge impacts on the schools, on law enforcement, and everything that gets funded by county government. In a community our size, that's a sizable impact, and we truly appreciate it.
Well, my name is Gary Anneberg. I've lived here all my life. We run a mixed cattle and grain operation. Just like the buildings behind me here, these people were here from the homestead days. They didn't have enough income from the place to be able to pass it on. They had to sell it to retire.
They don't have to look to the weather to actually make money from royalties on a turbine. It finally gives them a foothold on their farm.
Hopefully there'll be enough extra income here to support some improvements in the operation and maybe let the next generation take over.
I'm Joseph Platt, a biologist. The Kievan Rim is especially well suited for nesting of raptors. These are species that the state of Montana has identified as birds that have the potential of suffering decline in their population. So we have been surveying using a helicopter and some ground-based reconnaissance to count the birds and identify where they're nesting. A wind facility can be built in such a way that it will protect the rights and ability of these species to survive. My job is to help them make those decisions based on sound science.
My name is Greg Copeland. I'm the Director of Development for NaturEner USA and NaturEner Canada. We are trying to achieve a criteria of 1/2 mile setback away from those historic raptor nests to implement the relocation of 13 turbines from the original design plan, which is in a project that is at this stage of construction unprecedented. If the improvement, the biological improvement, is significant, then it's the right thing to do. Every day, people that you work for and work with sometimes create ethical dilemmas that you have to deal with. I find that my personal values are aligned with the company's intentions, objectives, goals, and values. And as a result, it makes me enthusiastic about what we're trying to accomplish. How are we as a generation going to be looked upon in the future? 200 years from now, what are they going to look back and see us as? By integrating renewables into our overall national energy strategy is responsible, and that's the point.